Come on. Ugh, this thing's hard. Open.
Probably need a knife, pocket knife for these scissors.
Give me that scissors. These little ones.
Be careful, you hold it like that and just kind of use that poke.
Now open some more up, guys. Set those aside and rip into them.
Okay.
Wait, pick your paper up.
Okay, that means we both get to open one. That one's to you. This one's mine.
Let Jeffrey read them, Brian. He'll tell you who's they from.
It's a sleeping bag, Brian.
It doesn't say who they're from. Mine just says Jeff and it just says Brian.
You don't need to open the sleeping bag.
Let's open them, Brian. Yeah, what did you get? Oh, you guys in mine too? Oh, yours looks different than mine. Put them right here, Brian. I'll put mine up there, you put yours down there.
That's me. And right there.
We need that. Handful. Here's another one to us, Brian. Tear. You get the back.
Whose is this to?
Me and Ryan. Ooh, a G.I. Joe deal! What's that? It's a G.I. Joe deal. Let's see what it says. Barracuda. What is it? It's a good guys. What does that mean? Torpedo launcher. Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Stack it up there. Brian, gather all that trash. You see that
There's
black
another
sack?
one.
Jeff, you're getting too much trash. It's going to get on the furnace, honey.
Not yet. Okay.
Put that
We're
sleeping
both
bag.
going to open this.
Stop for a minute.
Yeah.
The attack cruiser.
Cat! And all the stuff on it really works.
Okay, get some more. You guys still got a bunch of presents under there.
Brian, don't let that
Brian?
paper get on the furnace, honey.
Brian, pick your trash up. Throw it in the trash sack over here.
Brian, this one. It's to both of us. Oh, what is it? Tetherball!
That's a good one there. It ought to last a while.
Should. Put this trash up.
Put it in the sack.
No, find the next present. You're the one that does those. Brian, make sure. Brian, this one. That's yours. You can open that one. This is to both of us.
Open you a single one, Jeff, which is just yours.
Okay.
Take your gun
Yeah,
off.
close.
Pull your gun off. Take the tape there off.
Ow. What? Look, you got right there. So I don't pull those. Thanks. What kind of shirt is it?
Jogging pants, honey.
Okay.
For Mama.
What?
That's it for Mama. Daddy. Got some jogging pants, too.
Ooh.
Let me show you here. Those are easy to work. Don't work them yet.
Come on, guys. Open the rest of them because my battery's going to run down here in a little bit.
Okay, let's go fast.
Just here. Don't lose your parts. Open another one. Just do this. Hold it up and toss it over there.
Because what? Okay. Aw. This is yours. Brian got it good. Fine. Do this too. Hey.
Give Brian this, honey. He might not be able to see
Right,
the
let
name.
me see what that says. Who's it to? To Jack. Here's you, a big one. Oh, what's that? You sure that's yours?
Boy, there's some rotation in them. Oh, yeah. I saw that.
Okay, I believe. Now right there's your circulation. See it? See it? Now you can still drop one down there. Yeah, there is.
Somebody circling around us, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a vortex right there. It may drop down right in the corner of our yard. See your circulation up there? But if you don't, real good right there. But I tell you what, always remember this: tornadoes. I don't give a damn.
Did you hear that continuous hail?
That's right.
Did you hear that in the cloud? It just sounded like continuous
Tornado. It'll be perfectly quiet.
Started to rain. We need to get in. Walk toward mom if you want to.
If it gets perfectly
Keep recording.
quiet.
Huh? Why the fuck up some roof?
Put the tabs in paper first thing tomorrow morning.
I got one in.
Here's your hail right there. Get a video of that hail. Got a quarter mic? Right there is bigger than quarter size hail right there.
Yep.
About a $half size. Dad, look at there, $half
Shot
size.
the right. Get it down.
Get your hand out there. Go outside a little bit. Go on outside.
Shit, it's fucking raining out there. I can see it.
Kind of show profile of the ground. Give you an idea of the intensity.
Get down low to the ground, you can get them bouncing.
I can get them bouncing.
Darryl won't get out there, he's chicken.
Get out there and look straight up at it, Darryl. Get him coming right at the wind. Open your mouth.
3D effect.
You may not want to look at that Honda. Well, you ought to cover it with something. It's spot now, man. I just told you, I can see a break through the something with it.
Monday, May 11th hailstorm, 1992.
About 6 o'clock.
About 6 o'clock in the evening.
That's the second hailstorm.
Second hailstorm.
And it's Mark's fault.
Mark's head's in the way.
What time is it, Mark?
Hit one in the chest.
First hailstorm was at 5:45. It ain't hitting hard enough to do anything. If they were driven by a 50-mile-an-hour wind, you might have a little more damage.
Or just bigger.
Or just bigger. I don't think it's significant enough.
Mark, Elmer Cord.
Oh, here, let me get around you. I'd like to be up in an ultralight. That's pretty green.
Oops, sir.
We're on a motorcycle.
Yeah, good.
They said I-35 just west of Blackwell.
That's what way back there.
Yeah. He's probably licking his stock.
I'd say something.
That's a double rainbow.
I know about it. It got all shook up.
You can see the second rainbow just above it. There.
He wants a piece of baloney.
See it? You can see it through the camera.
Well, it's going east. You're okay now. Ain't that much? Somebody got a lot of rain. There's a big one.
Yeah, that's been sitting out for a while.
I tell you, you should have been here in 1960. That's about as close as you're ever going to come back into a tornado.
Yeah, they said that to produce funnels over by Blackwell, that same wall.
I said they had one touchdown in Blackwell.
Oh, really?
Thank you, Joe. Just listening to the weather spotters.
There's a good rainbow, Daryl.
People in
Yeah.
traffic and just taking precautions at this time. There is a wall front, and the area, the Fairfax area, is
It's actually a double
the
rainbow.
area where that thunderstorm is moving.
Double rainbow. See where that pole is? There's another little bit of rainbow.
It's just starting. And it looks like it's carrying at this time. It's moving off through the Fairfax